Hello guys, how are you today? Today we're gonna do unboxing of Astro A50 base station. It's right here. I have the A50 for the PlayStation. Very comfortable, very good headset, but very expensive also. So the problem is, if you have the PlayStation base, you can use it for PlayStation and PC. But if you want to use it on Xbox also, you need a base station, which they sell it separate, unfortunately. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, that's the box. So inside the box, of course, leaflets. Wow, like a user manual. The base station. So you have USB, you have a switch for Xbox or PC. In the back you have optical, it's a light plastic, matte in this side and glossy in this area. You cannot see it, but you have some indicator. They're gonna show you how much it's charged. Basically that's it. So you need all the accessory you need. You have all the accessory you need. Optical cable, it's kind of short one, but it's good enough. USB, and pretty much that's it. Thank you very much. If you like what you see, give a like, subscribe. See you in the next video.